Make Q the subject of the formula. Make Q the subject of the formula. So this one has been cube rooted. So what we do first, we need to remove the cube root by for us to remove this cube root, tuna cube both sides. So we will have P is equal to the cube root NQ minus M over Q. Now we cube both sides. When you cube both sides, you remove the square root. Now we are going to have P cube is equal to NQ minus M divided by Q. So the next thing, tutoe hii denominator hapa chini ya Q. So we do that by multiplying both sides by the Q. So this and this, so we will have P cube Q is equal to N Q minus M. The next thing now, tuna like terms together. EQ, NQ, this kuna like, so we will bring this one here. So we will have P cube Q minus N Q is equal to M. The Q here is common. Tunaweka Q nje, Q into P3 minus N equal to M. So tunatoa hii sasa by we divide by both sides by P cube minus N. So Q is equal to M minus divided by, okay, let me note. So Q P cube minus N is equal to M. We divide by both sides by PQ minus N, P cube minus N. This and this goes, so Q is equal to, sorry, there is this one is minus M over P cube minus N, and that is it. Solve for x in this equation. Solve for x. Now for us to solve the x, we need to remove these two here. You divide by 2 both sides. So we will have now sine 2x plus 10 is equal to negative half. So for us to remove this sign here, we are going to find sine inverse this. So 2x plus 10 is equal to the angle we are going to get, which is equal to b, which is going to be 30. So yeah, sine inverse this is 30. So then now we are going to, so sine inverse is equal to 30, but remember our sign was negative. The angle here is 0, negative 0, negative half was negative. So tunatafuta where the sign is negative here, acts. We use the acts. So the sign here is positive, here is positive. So the sign is negative here and negative here. So our angle now is not 30. The angle is going to be 180 plus 30. So the first angle is going to be 210. So hiyo ndio tunaenda kusema now 2x plus 10 is equal to 210. So ndio tupate the value of x. So the value of x ikikuja pande itakuwa 220. 220 divided by 2 itakuwa 100 and itakuwa subtract 10, which is 200. 2x is equal to 100 divided by 2 and x equal to 100. So and again here the sign is negative, so that is 360 minus 30. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 330. 2x equal to 220. So x is equal to 100 and, okay, 320, not 220, equal to 160. So hii ikikuja hapa tuna -10. So again you do the same. So tena tunaenda, tumeshamaliza one round, tunaenda mpaka tena tufike hapa. So tukifika hapo tushafika 360, tumesunguka sasa. Itakuwa 360 plus 180. That is what? 360 plus, that is 240. 240 plus 30 itakuwa 570. This is 360 plus 180, 540. 540 plus 30, 570. So tunasema 2x plus 10 is equal to 570. 2x equal to 570 minus 10. X is equal to 280. Space imekuwa kidogo, tutaendelea na hapa. So the next one itakuwa nao ni 720. Tutakuwa tumefika 720 minus 30. Sawa? Yeah, 720 because tukisunguka mara mbili tukifika hapa sasa itakuwa 720. 720 minus 30 itakuwa 690. So tunaenda 2x plus 10 is equal to, remember range yetu ilikuwa 360, tutafika 360, x itafika 360, ndio maana tunaendelea 690. So ikikuja huku itakuwa 2x equal to 690 minus this itakuwa 680 divided by 2. So x itakuwa 340. So ikishafika definitely hiyo ingine itaenda more than that. So our angles x will be 100, 160, 280 and 340 degrees. Those are going to be our angles.